I want to show you a little bit now about how it's designed and how it works. And then I'll take you on a tour of the website itself. So I'll predominantly be using a history unit as an example here, but it does apply to the other subject areas that are available too. So we want to ensure, as I said before, that progression is planned and effective. And the Learning Challenge curriculum does this for you so that it saves time for curriculum leaders and subject leaders. For each subject, there are overviews and progression documents, as you can see here. I've taken a strand from history to show you. That strand is chronology and causation. And you can see that it goes through each year group, including early years, noting the key knowledge and understanding that the children need in order to be ready to move on to the next stage of their journey. This is done for other aspects of history too, and it's also done in geography and science and art and DTR, done in a slightly different way, but it's very similar. So to make life easier for teachers to see where their specific year group fits in, this is also broken down into individual year group strands. You can see an example here that's taken from Year 3 Science, where the substantive knowledge is set out really clearly under each of the 3 disciplinary areas and individual science topics. Now, as leaders, we want to have an overview of how the units of learning that we expect our teachers to teach are all linked together. So we also want to ensure that the key knowledge is being taught within each unit as well. The Learning Challenge curriculum has an overview for each unit of learning. Each unit is led by an overarching learning challenge question or composite. In this unit, as an example for Year 4 History, why was ancient Egypt civilization ahead of its time is the title. This is the overarching learning challenge question. It sets the children up with a real focus for their learning, and teachers and children alike to be really clear on the aims of their study over the course of the unit. This is then broken down into 4 or 5 components, which are again guided by a sub-inquiry question. I won't read them all to you, but you can see there that the first one, what was happening in Britain when the ancient Egyptians were at their most powerful, to the final one, why did the powerful Egyptians create a culture of slavery? And all of this is to support with answering that overarching learning challenge question. There are also details below at the bottom of the disciplinary knowledge that we're expecting the children to be able to develop across the course of that topic in their year group.